Hey, it's your girl Junie, back at it again with another video. This time, it's not gonna be me doing it, it's gonna be my, okay, we're just gonna get started, with these little butter packets. Okay, why did you zoom in on my face? Okay, they're contacts. So, before we get started, we have to be able to see. So we put on these contacts. Now we have this bottle of milk, this little container of like this peach milk, and you put that on your face. You rub it on your forehead, your cheeks, your mouth, your nose, your eyes. Just rub it everywhere in your face, like everywhere. You don't miss a spot. You don't want to miss a spot because then, you know, your face is not gonna be milked up. You want every part of your face to be milky. Don't forget to do the eyebrows. Now we have this tube of peanut butter that you just put underneath your eyes because everybody knows peanut butter is the best cure for dark circles. Creamy peanut butter is preferred, but if you have chunky, that's fine too. I prefer creamy. You make sure you set that in perfectly underneath your eyes so you don't look sleepy anymore. You put this on your lips too, around your mouth I mean. Just draw a little mustache, draw a little beard of peanut butter around your mouth. Just put it on your nose or forehead. Just draw a line down your nose. Okay. Make sure you make some tribal mask out of it. Now you set that in. So you mix the peanut butter well with the milk that you put on earlier. Because peanut butter and milk is a great combination, you know. Remember when you were in second grade and you had the peanut butter and jelly sandwich? You always had to drink a glass of milk with it. So, why not? Just put it on your face. Just no jelly this time though. Just peanut butter and milk, which is fine. I prefer peanut butter sandwiches with no jelly anyway. Yeah, just keep setting it in. Take your time. You know, just keep doing it. Keep dabbing like a 2014 Migos music video. Just dab all over your forehead, all over your nose, all over your face. Okay. How long are we gonna keep dabbing for? Just keep doing it. Okay, now we're switching it up. We got this NARS Dolce Vita. Don't know what that is. It's a blush. Yes, it's a blush. It makes your cheeks all rosy. You know, makes it super cute. So you can look super cute on your Tinder date. You know, first you do your right eye, underneath your right eye, your right cheek. You know, it makes this little pink shade. So it always looks like you're shy, like you're blushing. Because, you know, everybody loves a little blushy look. Now you do your left eye. Just make sure you look super rosy. Oh, look at me. I'm so cute. Okay. Okay, now you do your right eye again. Now you do your left eye again. And you keep on your left eye. Just keep brushing your left eye. Now you do your nose. Huh. Okay. Rosy noses. I like rosy noses. That's cute. Now you do the side of your face. And now we do the chin. Huh. Okay. The chin. Rosy chins are totally in. It's Fashion Week 2018, so you want to, you know, set it. Oh, okay. Now we're doing this Capri from NARS. I don't know what this is. It's eyebrow dust. I don't know what this is. It's for your eyebrows. You just put it on your eyebrows. And I guess it just... Okay, now we have this like ice cream bar, this vanilla chocolate thing. First we take the chocolate and we put it on our nose. We just rub it on the tip of our nose. Rub it down your nose. Now you put it back on your tip and around your nostrils and all over your nose. I guess this is like nose makeup. Keep doing that. You just keep doing that. All over your nose. Don't get it inside your nostrils because you don't want this inside your nostrils. Put it on the tip of your nose again. Now we have another. I don't know what that was. That was very fast. Just do it again. What is this? It's a chocolate still. It's the chocolate. Pretty sure that's still the chocolate. We still haven't used the vanilla part. Now we have this like little mirror, but it's not a mirror. It's a Pat McGrath Labs iridescent something. I don't know. I didn't have time to read that whole. I guess it's like another layer of blush around your cheeks. Just put it all over your cheeks again. You know, your cheeks weren't rosy enough before, so now you want to make sure they're super rosy. Now we have the Smashbox photo edit eyeshadow trio. Brought to you by Nintendo. Just put it on your eyes. I guess it adds a little bronze tint to your eyelids. It's super nice, super cute. Now you do your left eye. Don't forget your left eye. Nobody wants one bronze eye. You want to make sure both of them are super bronzy. And I'm not even sure if that's bronze. It looks bronze to me. Now we have this. Whoa, that's super. Aritaum mono eyes. Oh, it's for your brows. Okay. I guess this is like a filler for your eyebrows because nobody wants to have thin eyebrows. Everybody wants to have that thick eyebrow look. So you just fill in your eyebrows, make it look a little darker. Just fill it in. Keep doing it. Yep. Don't forget the tips of your eyebrows. Just brush. I guess. Wait, what? Did you just? Okay. Just keep doing it. The tips of your eyebrows, the top of your eyebrows, all over your eyebrows. You want to make sure it looks super full, super dark, so you don't look like a wacko. Now you do your right eye, your right eyebrow, and yeah, just chill out. You know, listen to some music while you do it, because we're gonna be here for a while. Watch your favorite TV show, put it in the background. Wow, we just keep filling it, right? Okay, I like it. Okay, back to the left eyebrow. Back to the right eyebrow. Yerp. Now, see? Aw, so cute. Now we go back to the left eyebrow, and we draw like a straight line. Make it look super linear, because that's how you get the look that you want. Now we curl our eyelashes, which is looks painful. I don't know how. Ow, that looks super painful. But look how curly my eyelashes look now. So cute. Now we do the right eye, or the left eye. I mean, no, that's the right eye. Yeah, we just keep curling. Yep. Ooh, so cute. Curl it. Yeah, nice. Curl it again. What if you touch your eyeball with this? Wouldn't that hurt? God, I'm so glad I have naturally curly eyebrows. What is this? This is like some cream? It's a fixer, mascara fixer. Okay, it's mascara for your eyebrows. I mean, eyelashes. Have I been saying eyebrows this whole time? I meant eyelashes. I don't know. Just put it all in your eyelashes, make it look super full and dark and nice, so you look super fab. Make sure you get every single eyelash, because you don't want to have one eyelash that's out of place. Look at that. Look how cute this looks. Now we have this mamonde. This is Korean. I don't know how to read Korean. That's just something that I guess this is eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner. You put it on your eyes, so you get this like dark, you know, super full look on your eyebrows. On your eyebrows again, eyelashes. Yeah, you just draw it on your eyes. Make sure it's super straight and super neat, because you don't want to look crazy by having all these crazy dark spots all over your eyes that's out of place. You can always try again, just wash it off if you mess up. It's super easy. I feel like I would always mess up if I did this, because I have no control. Ooh, look at that. She's like finessing it. Now you do your left eye. Yep. Oof, this is really nice to look at. I've never actually looked at this before. The way you do it is really amazing. I feel like I would mess this up so bad. Alright, now you fill it in. Keep filling it. This is actually really therapeutic to watch. Wow. Let's do it. Wow. That looks super nice. Go back to your right eye. Make sure you get the tips. It's like a little wing look, you know. Haha. Every girl loves the wing look. I guess those are wings, right? Those are wings, right? Sure. Super cute. Now we have this galapagos. Galapagos. Isn't that like a explorer from the 1400s or something? I don't know what this is. This is like eyeshadow, I guess. No, it's not. It's like, I don't know what this is. I guess for your under eyes. Okay. Now we have this stila glitter thing. Glitter and glow. It's super glittery. Wanderlust. Wanderlust. I guess it's for the glittery look, so you can look like you just came out of a rave. Put it underneath your eyes. Super shiny and sparkly. Yeah, just put it underneath your eyes. Put it all over your face, maybe. You know, if I was doing this, I would just put it all over my face so I could look super glittery. But you know, sometimes you want to be reserved and just put it in certain spots. So I feel it. I feel this. Just put it underneath. Keep rubbing it. Keep brushing underneath your eyes. And yeah, now we have this volume and curl mascara. Oh, we're doing mascara again. This is for volume, for the full look, complete volume on your eyelashes. Now we just put them in your eye. Just keep putting it in your eyelash. Yep, just do it again. I would try this, but I already have these really thick eyelashes. Maybe, you know, too thick isn't, you know, I could have them a little thicker. Now you do your right eye. I feel like I've been saying right and left eye a lot in this video. Now we have this heroine? What? We're putting heroine in our face? Okay, I feel it. So we have this little pen of heroine that we just... Oh, we're drawing freckles. Right, because everybody knows when you do a lot of heroine, you just put freckles all over your face. Yep. This is the withdrawal look. Just a bunch of freckles. Give me the heroine. I just need it. Okay. I'm feeling the freckle look. Wow. It's like the real freckles. Wow. Nice. Chucky Finster over here. Just, you know, nice. See, look, now it looked like a 90s cartoon. Now we have this lipstick, Juliette. Ooh, this is a nice color. It's like a little like pinkish red color. Ooh, that looks so nice. Okay. Just keep putting it. Make sure you get it super neat. You don't want it to like, you know, look all messy around your lips. Look like Courtney Love after like a drinking night out. Oh, look at me, I'm so cute. Aw, peace. Is that it? Am I done? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, so cool. Look at me. Oh fuck, I'm a rock star. Hell yeah. I'm such a cute rock star. Oh, look at my eyes. So nice. Look at my freckles. These are real freckles. Look at my eyelashes. Look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyes. Look at my face. Fuck yeah. I'm awesome. Hell yeah.